TikTok best practices. Although TikTok is a fairly new platform, a number of best practices have already emerged through different marketers experimenting with the platform. So here we have 9 best practices for you to follow to get the most out of your TikTok marketing. 1. TikTok has a young user base. The Generation Z people that like TikTok want to be entertained, and they want to participate. So you need to give them what they want. As the platform grows, you may find that the audience broadens out in terms of age, but for now, you are looking at the younger generation, so always keep this in mind when you are planning your content. 2. Always use music. TikTok users expect music with their videos, so give it to them. Remember that a lot of the users come from Musical.ly, where music was the predominant theme. It will not take you long to add some music to your videos, so be sure to do this. 3. Use special effects. There are lots of different ways that you can spice up your videos using the special effects within TikTok. Take the time to learn how these effects work and use them as often as you can. You can experiment with different effects to see which are the most popular with your audience. 4. Use multiple shots in your videos. When you create a video using multiple shots, it makes it a lot more interesting. You don't have to do this with every video, but experiment with this in a few and see how your audience reacts. 5. Challenge your audience. TikTokers enjoy a challenge, which is why the hashtag challenge feature is so popular. Create a relevant and memorable hashtag for your challenge and make it fun with a degree of difficulty. Always set a deadline for completion of the challenge. 6. Take a look at your competitors. Find out who your competitors on TikTok are and take a good look at what they are doing. You can get some good ideas from this that will be the inspiration for some of your content. Remember not to copy what others are doing, but take their ideas and put your own spin on things. 7. Use analytics. Not everything that you do on TikTok is going to be a runaway success. You must know what is working well and what isn't. TikTok provides you with some great analytics that will tell you everything that you need to know about your posts and your profile as a whole. 8. Plan your content. Sometimes an on-the-fly video can work well, and there's no reason that you shouldn't create these from time to time. But in general, it is better to plan your content and create a posting schedule. Provide more of what is working. 9. Be consistent. It is much better to develop a consistent posting schedule than to post a lot of videos at once and then leave it for a while before you post again. Your brand can easily be forgotten if you do this. If TikTok users like your videos, then they will expect more, so get them used to a regular posting schedule.